Tired of the NVIDIA User error happening during a loading screen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's optimize your gaming environment and kill that pop-up for good. To start the walkthrough for NVIDIA User, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This DLL file is a 64-bit user mode driver for NVIDIA graphics cards. It facilitates communication between the Windows OS and the GPU to handle graphics resource allocation and 3D rendering for DirectX applications. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. To properly restore the NVIDIA User-DLL, we must refresh both the software runtimes and hardware drivers. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX compatibility, and update your GPU software if the file is part of your system's compute or graphics stack. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the NVIDIA Nvldumdx. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Using an incorrect or outdated version of the NVIDIA Nvldumdx.dll can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to the NVIDIA User. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time the NVIDIA User encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.